In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Google business profile. There comes a time when you might encounter a listing on Google that seems off. Maybe it's spam, it has incorrect information, or it's for a business that doesn't exist. Whatever the reason, Google provides a way for you to report these profiles through their business redressal complaint form. Today I'll walk you through the process, so grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First things first, you need to find your way to the Business Redressal Complaint form on Google's support site. It's a straightforward form that Google uses to collect information on business listings that may violate their policies. You can find the link to this form in the description below. Once you're there, it's all about filling in the details. The form requires specific information to process your complaint effectively. Here's a tip. Before filling out the form, gather all necessary information you have on the business listing you're reporting. This includes the business name, its location, and why you're reporting it. One of the keys to a successful report is providing as much detail as possible. If you have it, include the URL of the business listing, any images or videos that support your claim, and, if relevant, a phone number. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for Google to review your complaint and take appropriate action. Remember, your goal is to make it as clear as possible why this listing should be reviewed. After you've entered all the necessary details and double-checked the information for accuracy, it's time to submit your report. Find the Submit button, take a deep breath, and click it. You've done your part in helping ensure the integrity of Google's business listings. That's all there is to it. Reporting a Google business profile is a straightforward process, but it's essential to be as detailed as possible in your report. Google takes these complaints seriously as they aim to provide the most accurate information to users worldwide. By reporting suspicious or incorrect listings, you're contributing to that goal, and that's something to feel good about. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to report a Google business profile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Remember, keeping the digital world accurate and trustworthy is a collective effort. See you next time.